trying to do my best of the BMX of Bela. I almost stuck myself. Well, hopefully I gain the balances. Do you know some tricks on the bike? Yeah? Do? Huh? Yeah, go. Do it. So this little dude's gonna do some tricks for us. I tried mine, but I think my body is so heavy. So this little dude's gonna do his tricks on the bike. Oh, that's pretty cool. What about you, Bela? That's awesome. Man, these kids are better than me. I couldn't lift up my bike off the ground. That's it for today. Mountain biking, BMXing. BMXing, is that a word? But yeah, everyone's doing tennis over there. We did it earlier, but there's too many of us for one tennis court. Too far, but anyway, that's them doing tennis. Anywho, time to go back to the camp. 5 hours later, since we've been fishing, we've been playing tennis, we've been doing mountain biking, we've been BMX biking. This is what happened to us. The storm's coming in, so we have to pack up all our awnings, put some more tie downs, put some more tie downs in our tents because that was really shaking, and then cover up all our stuff there with the awning cover, and put down their awnings as well because it was really windy, and it's come down a little bit, but we're not gonna risk it, so we'll put it up when there's no more wind because, you know, we don't want to risk it because apparently my car almost flew today. See, it was my tita who done it because we were playing tennis. We didn't even feel the wind where we were playing, but no, because of a lot of trees. Yeah, where we played tennis, we couldn't feel the wind. So anyway, look, all tied down. Oh, okay. Alright. Time for bear o'clock. The Corona. My Corona. Good morning, guys. This is our day 3 of our camping. Today we are gonna do some fishing here in this lake across the beach. So it's a lake and a beach merged together. As you can see, it's a bit of a high tide right now, and it is almost 7 o'clock in the morning. The water actually pretty warm. Like I'm tempted to go for a swim, but I'm not swimming today. We're just fishing. See if we can catch some fish today. I got my wife here. She wants to go fishing. Bela and George, some of our friends, they're already casting their line. Catch anything? Not yet. We're gonna catch some seaweed. Really fishy. You wanna start casting? Oh, okay. Okay, apparently we're gonna go up, further up. Okay. We're going further up the beach, go to the deeper end. Hopefully we'll get some big ones, I hope. Now the waiting games begin. I'm so impatient of fishing. I can't stand in there all day trying to catch a fish. You got anything, hon? You got anything? You got anything? Babe, sit down. You got one? Oh, not yet.
You want? You wanna try?
And then
we go there.
across the sandbank.
Yeah, you are me and my father, right?
Are you prepared to get wet? You have to paddle. yeah. We're using prawns. We're using prawns for a bait. Just keep trying. Yeah. Let it roll. So yeah, we're kind of thinking using a paddleboard to go across over on that side. Something tells me it's a good idea, but it's not a good idea, especially when you're dressed like this. We have to change into our swimmers, I guess, our board shorts. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's go. Maybe it's in here. The one we're trying to catch. Oh, see, your bait is gone.
Okay.
Huh?
Bye, guys.
Okay, we have a little big bite. So we're gonna stay here. So see what happens, eh? You want me to cast it for you? Hold on. You don't know how to cast. Timing there, you know what? Unfortunately, fish is out of sight. They're shy to come out. Maybe we're gonna try it tonight. And yeah, fishing sucks. You have to be really patient. I don't have a patience for fishing. But anyways, we're gonna try it tonight. Maybe do the paddleboard and get into the water. Get down and dirty. Get wet. And let's have breakfast. We're hungry. We haven't done a poop for 3 days. Nah, just kidding. No luck. We caught a lot of seaweed and a bit of puffer fish and we're gonna try the paddleboard. Try it in the middle. Not now, but later. Yeah. Later. And that is going.
Getting fish but no fish.
With a lot of puffer fish. Yeah. Trying to get my bite.
Iputong itong sila kon.
That's a
fish? No, that's a food of prawns.
You want some prawns? That'll be nice. That'd be nice to eat. We're gonna go try again.
After storm, no?
Yeah. Let's go wash this first.
I'll wash it. Then get the prawns. Put this back. Gonna be smelled.
Donut. What time it is in the camping clock?
This is what time it is.
It's bear o'clock.
It's lime time. Lime time.
Wait, I take photo.
Cheers.
Alright, cheers. Since we didn't catch a fish, this is our fish. Bear o'clock.
Corona. Lime. Anyone see my phone?
Tastes like a virus.
Coronavirus. It's good for your symptoms. Donut.
Can I spray them?
Barrel clock.
Ready? It's got a knife.
Barrel clock.
Good morning, beer o'clock.
Barrel clock, bro. Barrel clock, bro. Before tennis.
Before tennis?
Yeah.
Are you coming, George?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Oh!
We're gonna get our hip replaced.
I was stretching
Alcohol
this
time.
Had a good stretch this morning. Did the
So
splits.
yes,
Wow! Getting ready.
like because we didn't catch a fish,
The coach is getting ready.
we went fishing, so we didn't catch anything. So we catch this instead.
Alright.
Juice, that's cheating.
Barrel clock, barrel clock.
Just o'clock.
We gotta go play tennis after this. We're probably gonna be half drunk. I'll drink about 3 and I'll be like, yeah, I'm a pro.
I'm a pro and then I'll go to bed.
Come on, let's go. Yep. Over the fence. What are you doing? Go, 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 go. Ah. So what do you think of the holiday?
No, I want to be the Exmouth. The
Wait,
water
I don't want- I
Exmouth
wanna
is
go
so
home.
nice.
I want to stay.
4 days is not long enough, huh?
The water in Exmouth is so nice. Like warm, even you're swimming at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, the water is like
Where now?
40 degrees.
Where?
Exmouth, Eastern Australia.
But you can get out. Go out and stand out there.
We'll go there next time.
But yeah.